Okay, to insert 3 pictures and to make sure that each of them is clearly visible on your slide, you need to go up to either the mountains where you can drop down and search the web, or you can go to Insert Image, which again, you can see the same mountain icon right here. So it's the same link, and then go to Search the Web. You will get a pop-up over here. You are free to search whatever appropriate image you would like. I will search for pictures of mountains. Hit enter. And I need 3 pictures. So I will select my first one, insert, let it pull up, go back. Or I recommend actually that you will modify this. This is going to be pretty darn big, but since I need to make sure I can see all 3 pictures, I need to shrink this down. So you need to select your picture, go to a corner. I will choose this one, drag it down to make it smaller, and I will shift it up. And I will go back, search the web again, look for my new mountain pictures, insert, let it load. We'll shrink this one this direction. And these little red lines are kind of showing me that they're lined up. Go back to insert, search the web, and drop down, try to find another picture. I like that one. Go to insert again. Wait for it to load up. This one kind of came in already pretty small, so I will drop that one right here. I don't mind where you place your pictures, but feel free to move them around so that they look nice for yourself. And you're done with this slide.